Chockablock is an adjective. That means completely full, crowded or packed tightly with little to no space remaining. Often used in informal contexts, it conveys a sense of something being crammed or filled to capacity, whether it's a physical space, like a room, or a schedule that's filled with activities. Origins of Chockablock. The term chockablock originated in the 19th century and was originally a nautical term. It referred to a situation where two blocks in a pulley system were drawn together so tightly that they couldn't be moved any further. Over time, it evolved into a more general term to describe anything packed so tightly that there's no more room. How to use Chockablock. Chockablock is commonly used to describe places, objects, or even schedules that are extremely full. For example, a room filled with furniture might be described as chockablock, or a person with no free time might say their schedule is chockablock with commitments. It's often used in a casual, vivid way to emphasize fullness or crowding. Example sentences. The festival was chockablock with people, food stalls, and live music stages. Her day was chockablock with meetings and appointments, leaving her no time to relax. Similar words: crammed, filled to capacity, often in a slightly uncomfortable way. Jam-packed, extremely full or crowded. Stuffed, filled to the brim, sometimes used for spaces or even for how a person feels after eating. In essence, Chockablock paints a picture of tight spaces and full schedules, capturing the feeling of being so packed that there's little room for anything else. It's a lively term that adds color to descriptions of fullness and abundance. Subscribe.